Welcome to the new episode, and today we will change our old rusty outlet to the new one. Stay tuned! Before we start, it's crucial to turn off the power at the breaker box to avoid any accidents. Safety is our #1 priority here at Housewires TV. Remove the old outlet. Use your screwdriver to remove the faceplate, then unscrew the outlet from the box. Pull it out and use your voltage tester to double-check that the power is off. If you didn't subscribe yet, do it now by clicking a button below. Now, let's disconnect the wires from the old outlet. Remember, the brown wire is hot, the blue wire is neutral, and the green or bare wire is the ground. These wire colors vary from place to place, so make sure that you follow the color codes for your country. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove the wires one by one from the old electrical outlet. I randomly removed the wires from the old socket. I did not follow any order. We can use pliers to straighten the wires for better organization in the outlet itself. Connect the wires to your new outlet. Attach the brown wire to the left side of the new outlet, blue wire to the right side, and green wire to the bottom side of our new electrical outlet. Remember that you can connect brown wire to the right side and blue wire to the left side of the outlet. All devices will work properly no matter how you connect those two wires. After successfully connecting this outlet, carefully push the wires back into the electrical box, ensuring they are not pinched or damaged. Screw the new outlet into place using the provided screws. You can see that we have 2 screws here to tighten this part of outlet into the wall. Last thing that we need to do is to mount a new faceplate to the new outlet. This is an easy task where you have only 1 screw in the middle. In order for the socket to be positioned correctly, we have to use a level and slowly tighten the screw located on the front plastic outlet and so on until we get the desired measurement. And we successfully replaced our old outlet with a new one. Turn the power back on. Head back to your breaker box and turn the power back on. Remember, if you're ever unsure or uncomfortable doing electrical work, it's always best to call a professional. Next video you can check up here.